Modern-day stamping is used to create many different metal parts. Parts such as muffin tins, sinks, car panels, and battery cases are created by a stamping process. This animation will show an example of an automatic stamping process. The process begins when a coil is loaded onto a decoiler. This example is called a reel-type decoiler. The mandrel expands and holds the coil on its inside diameter. The coil rotates to unwind the material strip into the straightener. A straightener flattens the material prior to it entering into the feeder. A feeder advances the strip of material into the stamping die. This example shows a servo-type feeder. The rolls of the servo feeder, which grip the material with pressure, rotate to advance the material into the die in predetermined increments. A die is a one-of-a-kind tool that is designed and constructed for one specific part. Every different part requires its own die. The die performs the actual cutting, bending, or forming processes to create the finished part. The die is contained in a stamping press. The press, under power, moves the die to a closed position, which causes the die to perform the processes for which it was designed. The press then returns to its open position as the material indexes and a new blank is introduced. This allows the stamping process to occur in a continuous cycle. In some instances of high volume, up to 4,000 parts per minute can be stamped.